Hi guys, this is Subhash here, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So today I'm in the lodge at Katkani near Joke Fall here in Karnataka. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning now, so I have to cover all the way to my home distance from here. So I'll start in the morning. Yesterday I came from Siddhapur here because I cannot find a lodge there, and I came at night only 8:30. Now I'll go to Jogfall. I'll cover some place there, then I'll go to Patkal. If I can show you something in Patkal area or on the way, then I'll go to Muddeshwar, Gokarna. Those places are on my list today. If I get anything to show you something more on beside of this, I will do that. So if you like this video guys, do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and these all videos will be in the part, so you don't have to miss anything. Come on, let's have breakfast and leave now. This is how it looks in the day now. It's 7 in the morning, and there's the Shiva statue there. Shiva, Lord Shiva, yeah. Okay friends, 308 kilometer has ridden till now. Let's see. Alright friends, this is Jogfall here. I will go there from here now. You have to take a long turn there. Maybe you cannot see the fall here. Steps to go down there, that side. See here, steps here, lot of steps to climb the mountain here. But I'll not go down there. It's getting very tired to come back. Okay, I'll take that bridge. You can see the bridge there that connects to the other side of the part of this fall. welcome to Beautifull, guys. Yeah, I was there before that spot. That's the main entrance here. They charge some money for entry here. Let's see how much. Okay, they charge 30 rupees for bike here. I don't know how much for cars and all. Okay, this is the place here. People are gathering early in the morning. It's 8 o'clock, 8:30 I guess. Okay, let's see what we can see there. Those are the steps to go down there. It's too many steps. It's very long to go down here. Once I've been there before, but this time I won't be going because it's getting very tired when I come back. It's a hotel Mayura here. Beautifull. I am other side now. It's the sun is on my face, that's why you won't be able to see maybe properly, guys. Don't mind for that, please. Now it's the back side of the fall here. It's something like this here. Let's check it out. It's something like a powerhouse they have down there. The water comes from there also. Okay, let's go down and see. Okay guys, I'll take this road now from here. This road connects to the Bhatkal. I don't know what they say here. It's around 93 kilometers from here, Muddeshwar. Okay, let's go. I never been in this place before, this road before. So I'll try this. On the way, try to show you something. If I got anything to show you. Okay, all right guys, yeah, that was a joke fall here. So I'm heading towards Muddeshwar now from here. If you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then, see you. Thanks for watching.